What's up guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my go-to healthy smoothie. It's really quick, it's really easy, and we're just using some simple ingredients. And I use this smoothie when I'm on the go, when I don't really have a lot of time to cook a full blown out breakfast. I make this smoothie also after a gym workout and usually just throughout the day when I just want something sweet or I want something refreshing and I kind of want a snack in between meals. This is definitely my go-to healthy smoothie recipe. I hope you guys like it, and by the way, I will disclose that I am not a health expert. I've done my own research and have tried certain things that have worked for me and certain things that haven't worked for me. This is something over time that I have experimented with myself just to see what ingredients, what types of products would work for me, and I finally found one that does me justice, that gives me a very nourishing and fulfilling healthy smoothie. So I hope you guys like this. Let me know what you think if you try the smoothie out. I will also have the ingredients in the description and links to where you can find them. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I start with is ice. I usually use about a handful. Some people like to have their produce already frozen, such as their fruits. And I don't know, that has never really worked for me because I usually put way too much milk or water and it doesn't give me the right texture that I want from my smoothie. So just like using ice itself has always worked for me because I can always adjust. So first, I'm going to use my vanilla almond milk by Almond Breeze. This is my go-to milk. For the longest time, I had stopped drinking milk altogether, and I didn't want anything to do with any type of milk just because dairy always has made me break out. And finally, I gave in and tried almond milk and have been using it ever since. So we're just going to basically put a little bit of milk covering the ice. That's kind of what I do, just like that much or so. We can always adjust later in case we need more. We're gonna take our banana, gonna throw that in there, and now we're gonna take our organic strawberries. I usually get my fruit from any really like healthy grocery store. It really doesn't matter where, you can find them just about anywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and chop my strawberries and then throw those in. I usually do about a few strawberries and then I'm good, but you can adjust however you like. So this is what I have going on right now. We have our banana, almond milk, ice, and strawberries. I'm gonna go ahead, put my lid on this, and then we're gonna start mixing our smoothie. So this is the type of texture that I'm looking for to start with, and we're gonna make it thicker in a little bit. So it's already smelling so good. That's our strawberry smoothie. So now we're adding the good stuff. So I went ahead and took another handful of ice. I don't know if you can see it. Next, we're gonna use our protein powder, and this is plant-based and it's vanilla flavored. So I just take a scoop of that. When I first tried this, a scoop was a little bit too much, so I would use like half of this, but I'm kind of used to it now, so it's alright. Take that, put this into our smoothie like so. Next, we're gonna add our cacao powder, and I'm actually surprisingly not a dark chocolate fan. I know I'm crazy, I like me some milk chocolate, but I still use this in my smoothies. I just don't use a lot of it just because I feel like it's overpowering. So I'll use like half a spoon of it, and I'll just like lightly put this into my smoothie. So this is what our smoothie's looking like so far. Last but not least, we're gonna use honey and drizzle down our smoothie in honey like a dish. I love honey, especially like for any breakfast food that I make, whether it's smoothies, oatmeal, or toast. Like, I just love honey. And now we're gonna go ahead and blend the rest of this, and that will pretty much finish our smoothie. Guys, we are officially done. Here is the result of our smoothie. It has like the perfect texture inside. It's like so smooth and so yummy. Perfection. So good. So I hope you guys like this little mini tutorial of how I make my healthy go-to smoothie. If you guys would like to see more of my favorite breakfast meals and such, then I would love to put that together for you guys. I love baking and cooking and just like trying to be healthy sometimes. And don't forget to like, subscribe, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And if you're listening to my podcast, I'll make sure to give you a shout out at the beginning of my videos. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support as always. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys. So the first thing I start with is frozen ice. I usually do about like maybe a handful of crushed frozen ice. Ice is frozen. Duh. So this is the type of party